How to change image opacity in Wix. Now, Wix does not directly give us this feature, so for this I recommend using a third-party tool like onlinepngtools.com/change-png-opacity. So I'm going to use this website, and right here I'll show you what we have to do. We have to import the file here. Just choose the file, and then we can set the opacity level right here. So for example, I can do 20, and I can also do 80%, and as you can see, it changes the opacity. Now, once we have used this, we will click on Save As, and we can download it. It will tell us that it's for personal use only, and we're gonna download this. Now we have to wait the 10 seconds here, and I'll show you how we can import this into Wix as well. So it's gonna download like so right here, and we can open it. Now I'm going to go to media here from the left hand side, and I'm gonna click on upload media, which is this button. It's gonna load up upload from computer, downloads, and I'm gonna upload my file this way. Now right here, as you can see, it will upload my file. Just give it a second here. And now, as you can see, I can add this to my page. But remember, this is for personal use only. So that's how you change the opacity of an image. You can't directly do it from within Wix, but there is a workaround like I just showed you. And yeah, that's how you change the opacity of an image in Wix. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.